Dr. Jay Heintz with League City Spine and Sports Medicine, and today I want to talk about a detox. So what type of patient might need a detox? Patients who have chronic fatigue, patients who are on multiple medications, patients who have had a successful weight loss journey or change in life, but have just hit a wall and need to get pushed over to the next level. So this is one of my favorite detox. This one is a kit that really focuses on cleansing out the liver and the gallbladder, getting your internal organs kind of functioning back to capacity again. So this one has 30 protein packets and 30 sets of supplements. And the basic setup is that each day you do 2 shakes, and then you can supplement it with food, preferably clean food. So clean chicken, clean fish, veggies, that type of thing. The advantage to having it all in a box is it gives you structure. It gives you a set form, and the advantage to this particular kit is it really does well with cleaning out the whole system. Dr. Jay Heintz, League City Spine and Sports Medicine.